The 2013 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.